In the fast-paced world of aviation, where innovation often takes the spotlight, a surprising and captivating announcement has recently emerged from Boeing's headquarters. The iconic Boeing 747, often referred to as the Queen of the Skies, is set to make a triumphant return to the skies. This announcement by Boeing CEO Dave Calhoun has sent shockwaves through the aviation industry, sparking both excitement and speculation about the future of this legendary aircraft. In this article, we will delve into the details of Boeing's decision to resurrect the 747, exploring the history of the plane, its competitors, and the implications of this bold move. The Boeing 747, affectionately known as the Jumbo Jet, holds a special place in the hearts of aviation enthusiasts and travelers alike. When it first took to the skies in 1970, it revolutionized long-haul air travel, making it more accessible and comfortable for passengers. The 747's distinctive humpbacked fuselage and four-engine design quickly became synonymous with international travel. Over the years, the 747 evolved, with various iterations including the 747-200, 747-400, and the more recent 747-8. While the original 747 was designed to carry around 366 passengers, the latest 747-8 can accommodate up to 524 passengers in a typical two-class configuration. Its incredible range allowed airlines to connect distant cities non-stop, contributing to globalization and expanding the horizons of air travel. However, as the aviation industry shifted towards more fuel-efficient twin-engine aircraft like the Boeing 777 and 787 Dreamliner, the popularity of four-engine planes like the 747 waned. Airlines preferred the economic benefits of twin-engine jets, which consumed less fuel and were easier to maintain. Consequently, Boeing's production of the 747 slowed down, leading many to believe that this legendary aircraft had reached the end of its journey. Boeing's decision to bring back the 747 comes at a time when the aviation industry is undergoing significant changes. Airbus, Boeing's European rival, has made strides with its A380, a large double-deck aircraft designed to compete with the 747. The A380, known as the Super Jumbo, has found success with certain airlines thanks to its capacity to carry over 850 passengers and its long-haul capabilities. Despite initial enthusiasm, the A380 faced its own challenges, including a decline in demand for ultra-large aircraft and the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Airbus eventually announced the discontinuation of the A380 program, with the last deliveries planned for 2021. In the midst of these developments, Boeing's decision to revive the 747 raises intriguing questions about the future of the aviation industry. While other aircraft manufacturers are focusing on smaller, more fuel-efficient planes, Boeing is charting a different course by reinvigorating a classic. Boeing CEO Dave Calhoun has revealed that the company's decision to resurrect the 747 is part of a broader vision for the future of air travel. The new 747, known as the 747X, will be a modernized version of the iconic aircraft, designed to meet the demands of the 21st century while retaining the core features that made the original 747 a legend. One of the key improvements in the 747X will be its fuel efficiency. Boeing plans to incorporate the latest advancements in aerodynamics, materials, and engine technology to make the aircraft more eco-friendly. This move is in line with the industry's growing emphasis on sustainability and reducing carbon emissions. Another focus of the 747X project is passenger comfort. The interior of the aircraft will undergo a significant redesign with larger windows, improved cabin pressurization, and enhanced in-flight entertainment systems. Boeing aims to make long-haul travel in the 747X an even more enjoyable experience for passengers, rekindling the sense of wonder and excitement that characterized the early days of air travel. Boeing's decision to revive the 747 comes with its fair share of challenges. In a market dominated by twin-engine giants like the Boeing 777 and the Airbus A350, the 747X will need to prove its worth. While the original 747 was a game-changer in its time, the aviation landscape has evolved significantly since its debut. Airbus, Boeing's main competitor, has been focusing on the development of innovative and fuel-efficient aircraft like the A350XWB and the A330neo. These models have gained popularity among airlines worldwide, thanks to their operational efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Boeing will need to demonstrate that the 747X can not only match but exceed the capabilities of these modern rivals. Additionally, the rise of long-range, ultra-efficient twin-engine aircraft like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and the Airbus A350 has led to a shift in airline preferences. These aircraft offer lower operating costs and greater flexibility, making them attractive options for airlines looking to expand their international routes. Boeing's challenge will be to convince airlines that the 747X offers unique advantages that outweigh the benefits of its twin-engine competitors. While passenger aviation is a crucial aspect of the industry, the cargo market also plays a significant role in shaping the success of aircraft programs. The original 747 found a second life as a cargo freighter, with the 747-400F and 747-8F variants serving as workhorses for global cargo operators. These freighter versions offered immense cargo capacity and the ability to transport oversized and heavy cargo, making them indispensable in the logistics industry. Boeing aims to capitalize on the 747's reputation as a dependable cargo aircraft with the 747X. The modernized design and increased fuel efficiency will make it an attractive option for cargo carriers seeking to reduce operating costs while maintaining high cargo volume. The ability to transport oversized cargo will also be a key selling point, as industries like aerospace, energy, and manufacturing rely on the timely delivery of large and heavy components. Boeing's decision to revive the 747 raises intriguing questions about the future of air travel. In a world where aircraft manufacturers are increasingly focused on smaller, more fuel-efficient planes, the return of the 747 represents a departure from the norm. It suggests that Boeing sees a niche market for large, long-range aircraft that can serve both passenger and cargo needs. The aviation industry is at a crossroads, with environmental concern and the need for sustainable travel solutions taking center stage. Boeing's commitment to making the 747X more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly aligns with these evolving priorities. If successful, the 747X could become a symbol of how legacy aircraft can be adapted to meet the challenges of the future. In the competitive world of aviation, innovation is the lifeblood of success. Both Boeing and Airbus continually invest in research and development to create aircraft that are safer, more efficient, and more comfortable for passengers. The decision to bring back the 747 is a testament to Boeing's commitment to innovation, as it seeks to breathe new life into an iconic design. Boeing's engineers and designers will face the formidable task of modernizing the 747 while preserving its unique characteristics. This delicate balance between tradition and innovation will be key to the aircraft's success. The aviation industry will watch closely to see how Boeing's engineers rise to the challenge of revitalizing a classic. The return of the 747 will undoubtedly have an impact on airlines and passengers. Airlines that operate long-haul routes may see the 747X as an attractive option, offering the capacity to meet the demand for international travel. The aircraft's enhanced fuel efficiency and passenger amenities could make it a competitive choice for airlines looking to differentiate themselves in the market. For passengers, the prospect of flying on the revamped 747X may evoke nostalgia, while providing a modern and comfortable travel experience. The larger windows, improved cabin pressurization, and state-of-the-art entertainment systems could make long-haul flights more enjoyable and less taxing. Boeing's decision to bring back the 747 is a bold move that challenges conventional wisdom in the aviation industry. At a time when twin-engine aircraft dominate the market, Boeing is betting on the enduring appeal of the Queen of the Skies. The 747X represents a fusion of tradition and innovation, aiming to capture the hearts of aviation enthusiasts and meet the evolving needs of the industry. The success of the 747X will depend on its ability to compete with modern giants like the Boeing 777 and the Airbus A350, while offering unique advantages in terms of capacity, cargo capabilities, and passenger comfort. Boeing's commitment to sustainability and fuel efficiency aligns with the industry's changing priorities, suggesting that the 747X could be a symbol of how aviation can adapt to a more environmentally conscious future. As Boeing embarks on the journey to revive the 747, the aviation world watches with anticipation. The return of this iconic aircraft could usher in a new era in air travel, where classic design meets cutting-edge technology, and the sky becomes the limit once again. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure the notification bell is turned on so you don't miss a video.